Welcome to Hacker 339.
TCP/IP is a layered protocol, which means that it is divided into different layers, each with its own specific function. The four main layers of TCP/IP are the application, transport, internet, and link layers. The application layer is the highest layer and is responsible for providing the interface between the software application and the network. It includes protocols such as HTTP, FTP, and SMTP. The transport layer is responsible for providing a reliable end-to-end connection between devices. It includes the Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, and the User Datagram Protocol, UDP. TCP establishes a reliable connection and ensures that data is transmitted in the correct order, while UDP is a simpler protocol that does not establish a connection and does not guarantee that packets will be received in the correct order. The Internet layer is responsible for addressing and running packets across networks. It includes the Internet Protocol, IP, which assigns a unique IP address to each device connected to the Internet. When a packet is sent from one device to another, the router examines the destination IP address and forwards the packet to the next router in the path, until it reaches its final destination. The link layer is the lowest layer and is responsible for physical communication between devices on the same network. It includes protocols such as Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Now let's see how these layers work together. When an application on a device wants to send data to another device, it sends the data to the transport layer, which breaks the data into small packets. The transport layer then sends the packets to the internet layer, which adds the source and destination IP addresses to the packets. The internet layer then sends the packets to the link layer, which adds the source and destination MAC addresses to the packets and transmits them over the network. On the receiving device, the packets are received by the link layer, which removes the MAC addresses and sends the packets to the internet layer. The internet layer then examines the destination IP address and sends the packets to the transport layer. The transport layer then reassembles the packets and sends the data to the application layer. In summary, TCP/IP is a layered protocol that includes the application, transport, internet, and link layers. Each layer has its own specific function and works together to establish connections, transmit data, address and route packets, and connect devices to the Internet. Understanding how these layers and protocols work is essential for anyone working in the field of networking.